Hello students, I am Ashok Kumar. I am going to give you notes on the topic The Adventures of Toto from the book Moments of Standard 9th. Let us revise the story. Grandfather brought a monkey. Grandfather brought a monkey from a Tonga driver for rupees 5, monkey named Toto. Put him in his private zoo. Toto bright eyes and white teeth, a smile that frightened elderly ladies. Used his tail to hang from a branch. Next, Toto hidden from grandmother. Grandmother first when new animal brought home. So Toto's presence to be kept a secret till she was in a good mood. Toto kept in a closet and tied to a peg fastened into the wall. Toto wrenched the peg in the wall and freed himself after grandfather tied him there. Next, Toto's presence, still a secret, transferred to a big case in servant's room. The room also had a tortoise, a pair of rabbits, and a tame squirrel. Toto didn't let the other animals sleep at night. Toto at the station. Grandfather took him to Saharanpur. Couldn't leave him with the other animals. Toto kept in a big black canvas kit bag with some straw at the bottom. Remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur, but at the station popped head out of the bag, grinned at ticket collector. Ticket collector asked grandfather to pay for what he thought was a dog. Toto and Nana the donkey. Toto finally accepted by grandmother, given home in the stable with the family donkey Nana. At night, grandfather found Nana pulling at her halter and trying to keep her head as far as possible from a bundle of hay. Grandfather gave Nana a slap across her haunches. She jerked back, dragging Toto with her. Toto had fastened on her long ears with his sharp little teeth. Toto and Nana never became friends. Toto's bath. Toto loved large bowl of warm water given by him by grandmother for his bath. Tested temperature with his hand. Step into bath. First one foot, then other until he was into the water up to his neck. Rubbed himself all over with soap. When water became cold, ran to the kitchen fire to dry himself. Once large kitchen kettle left on the fire to boil for tea. Toto removed lid, got in, head sticking out from the open kettle. Water began to boil. He raised himself, found it cold outside, sat down again. Continued hopping up and down for some time until grandmother took him out, half boiled. Toto's mischief. Whenever an aunt came near him, tried to get hold of her dress and tear a hole in it. Took large dish of pulao From dining table, grandfather screamed. Toto threw a plate at her. Aunt rushed forward. Toto threw a glass of water in the face. Grandfather arrived. Toto picked up the dish of pulao, exit through a window, sat among branches of a jackfruit tree, ate pulao from dish slowly all afternoon. To a spite grandmother through the dish, chattered delightfully when it broke in 100 pieces. Toto sold again. Toto caused loss of dishes, clothes, curtains, and wallpaper too expensive to keep at home. Family decided he couldn't stay at home. Grandfather found the Tanga driver, sold Toto back to him for only rupees 3. Now the students, it is the note of the topic Adventures of Toto. You study them properly, note them down in your copy. It will help you answering any type of questions whatsoever the questions are asked in the examination. So you study them properly at home. Now it is over. Thank you so much.